Packing light, how you can fit everything in your carry-on for your very first international trip. Why should you just carry everything on a carry-on? Well, several reasons. One, it saves on baggage fees. Love saving some money. It also saves you time. At the end of your trip, you don't have to wait for your luggage to come on the carousel. It also makes it easier to navigate airports, cities, any other places that you'll go. Just don't have to worry about that. No delayed or lost luggage. Oh, lost luggage is the worst. Also, faster check-ins at the airport and customs is a breeze. When you carry only the essentials, you're not weighed down by heavy suitcases. You're less worried about your belongings and you're more focused on enjoying the everything around you, enjoying your first international trip. Choose the right carry-on bag. Most airlines have a strict carry-on luggage dimension policy. So opt for a bag that is 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Pick a bag that's lightweight. If it's heavy when you're holding it with nothing in it, it's going to be super heavy with all your stuff in it. So pick one that's lightweight. You want one that combines durability with easy maneuverability. So that means high quality wheels and sturdy stethoscope handle. Soft bags have more flexibility to them so they can fit in tighter spaces, that sort of thing. Whereas the hard shell ones provide more protection. Make sure your carry-on also has practical features that make packing that much easier. Stuff like multiple compartments, compression straps. Also, you can consider backpacks or convertible duffel bags as other options for carry-ons. When it comes to packing all of your stuff in a carry-on, you need to be strategic when it comes to packing clothes. The key to it is choosing clothing that is versatile, that can be mixed and matched with each other, creating multiple outfits from just a few pieces. Stick with about 3 to 4 different tops and 2 to 3 different pairs of pants. Make sure these are lightweight clothing, wrinkle resistant. When it comes to shoes, if you're not sure exactly what you should bring, 3 pairs should do the trick. You have 1 pair for walking, 1 pair of dressier shoes, and sandals or casual footwear. That covers your basics, but that's only if you're not sure what kind of shoes you should bring. Also, when it comes to packing, these compartments are amazing. Put your clothes in there, roll up your clothes instead of fold them. That's going to save you way more room. And you just roll them up into these compartments and it like suctions it in. Perfect. Vacuum seal bags are great because I like to travel in early spring or late fall because those times are cheaper. And so usually I'm going to need a big coat. And that's when I bring vacuum seal bags and I can put my coat in there, vacuum seal it. It takes up less room. We bring a little bike pump with us so that on our way back, we can vacuum seal the coat back into the bag. All liquids must be in 3.4 ounce containers. Most anything comes in a travel size version that you can easily put in your bag. Consider swapping out solid alternatives such as shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and solid lotions. This not only saves space, but also prevents accidental spillage during your journey. One of the biggest mistakes that first-time travelers make is overpacking. I still struggle with this one. You just want to bring too many just-in-case items. Like, just in case I'm going to bring 3 pairs of underwear for every single day. Don't do it. You don't need 3 pairs of underwear for every single day. Instead, focus on what you do need, the essentials. Another way to make sure that you don't overpack is using a packing checklist, which I have created one for you. It will be in the description below, so check out that link there, and that will get you that packing checklist. Another common mistake that first time travelers make is not checking the weather forecast before they go. Very important. When me and my husband went to Italy, it rained a lot of the time that we were there. And because we checked it, we knew what to bring. And we brought more clothes that would keep us warm, and we brought umbrellas so that we could stay out of the rain. So make sure you're checking that weather forecast. Also, when it comes to going through security, common mistake is having your electronics tucked away. You're going to have to pull those out for majority of security clearance going through an airport. So make sure you have your electronics in a place that's easy to grab them. Packing all of your stuff in a carry-on is going to save you money in the end. It's going to make things easier as you travel and as you're carrying around your bags. You're not going to have a ton. They're not going to be super heavy. Just pack everything in a carry-on. It's going to make things so much easier. So good luck as you pack for your very first international trip. You're going to have a blast. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, let me know where you're going for your very first vacation.